Usimbut Menteri Rangba ke Jela ba Preston Tinsong la ong ba ke Sorkar Jela ke Ïengskhem hakanong rim ba Donkam ban kiat Sainar ha Khappud pat kari Bangladesh hindai ke jingker ke dei ban long hajan zero line. Ula pentip ba ke Sorkar Jela kala dep pai da ke jingtho syaka Ministry of Home Affairs ke Sorkar India ba kipdiang ye ke jingker Sainar hindai ke dei ban long majan bat u zero line hapdiang ke India bat Bangladesh. U Deputy CM ulayatu ba ke Sorkar bat kisnong ha Khappud kipdiang siam ha ye ke jingker Sainar ha Khappud hindai ke jing siau kya jong ki try kendeu bat kibor penyai snong kalong ba dalai ru kin ailat ban kia Sainar sepdeng jong kai snong ne jaka rep jong kinong rep habakli ulaong baka Sorkar Jela haduk menta kampat yop tiang setia kanok jubab naka MHA lane Ministry of Home Affairs habaya dei baka jingwan rung tu kinong Bangladesh po Mekalaya ba le ya kikam pentrim bat bon jait bon rukam ba pestun laong ba ulapata ya UIG ka BSF bat kidei banlong ki ba pitngor bha bat kin pahara bha khnang ba kum kitei kijingja ki pasiosi kimde setia banja
incidents where Bangladeshis nationals they sneak into Meghalaya, India and commit crimes like murder. We have seen there were 2 incidents in Jainti Hills where a woman also has been killed. So whether the state government is asking the BSF to intensify its patrolling?
Yes, in fact, today also in the discussion, I have impressed upon the IG of the BSF to be more vigilant, to be more active. Such incident, unpleasant incident, should not again be repeated. Well, we know well that, of course, humanly speaking, we don't know when are those people planning to come to enter to our jurisdiction. That we don't know. But I requested the BSF IG to be more active, more vigilant, so that such unpleasant incident can be avoided at all cost.
So the Penursula bypass, which is part of the